This is a sponsored video that contains products provided without charge by the manufacturer for demonstration purposes. All opinions are my own.
If you've got gardens all around your yard like I do, that's one disadvantage of the Cub Cadet Ultima, is it throws out so much stuff out the side with such volume of air that it makes a mess. Well, I have a solution for that. Today I'm going to try the Mulch Kit and see how that works. Coming up. Welcome to HandyDadTV. I'm Chris Heider, your virtual dad in the cloud, and today I'm continuing my Cub Cadet series with another accessory, this time the Mulch Kit. Now, if you follow the lawn care nut, you know that it is best to mulch your grass. That is, let it fly when you cut it back onto the lawn. The only problem with that is that it gets the grass everywhere. Now, that's not a big deal if you're mowing a big field, but if you're mowing a lawn like mine that has gardens bordering it, or sidewalks, or even the street, you don't want to just let your grass fly into those places. You want to keep it contained. Now, in my last video, I showed you the bagger attachment for it. That's $400. That's a pretty big investment. And again, I only want to bag grass periodically, but I want to mulch most of the time. I just don't want to have it fly all over the place. So that's where the Mulch Kit comes into play. Now, mulch kits come with just a couple of parts on them. They're really pretty simple. It comes with specific mulching blades that are matched to work with this deck and this mower, as well as a cover plate for the chute. Now, about a year ago, I did a video with my lawn tractor and the mulch kit for that, and I really wasn't happy with the results because it left piles of grass along the edges. So that wasn't effective in my opinion, but we're going to see how this one works. The thing to consider when you're just blowing it out the side discharges, you never want to turn to the left where you have a garden like this. I mean, this isn't a garden, but it's stone. If I would turn to the left, that direction, it would just shoot out all the clippings into the stone. So I'd always make a conscious decision to always turn to the right so that the clippings stayed on the grass. Now I don't have to worry about that. I would say so far so good. I don't see any mounds of clippings on the side here. Now granted, I'm not taking that much off because I do mow pretty much religiously twice a week. Cut quality's good. Here you can see that side is mowed and here it's not. Well, no grass clippings in the street, and there's some on the sidewalk. You could see them here. So, I mean, I could blow. Certainly it needs to be edged as well, and I always edge at the end, but you could see green grass clippings over there, but not nearly as bad as it would be if I was side discharging. So what do you guys do? Do you side discharge? Do you mulch? Do you bag? Let me know. Leave a comment below and let me know.